No, it's all good. Just enjoy yourselves.
Thank you. Bubbles. That's what we should be talking about.
Alright guys, it's Phil from Aussie Garage. I'm here with Greg. We're here talking about his X-Wave panel van.
Correct.
Tell us about your ride, mate.
So we've had this car for about 10 years.
Yep.
It's very rare in that it's a factory K code, so in non-Ford language, that's a factory 351.
Awesome.
They made very few factory 351 panel vans. Plenty of what we call a Y code, which is a 302.
Yep.
And the other rarity about this car, it's a factory 4-speed and a factory GS.
Yep.
And in what you call a very nice colour called Wild Violet.
Absolutely, that was always perfect, that one. They did a lot of the HOs in that, didn't they?
They did, yes.
Yeah.
And I like it because it's a true 70s colour. So this is a 9th month 71, so typical early 70s. Love the colour, love the styling.
Yep.
And I agree with you, Wild Violet's a fantastic colour.
Yeah. So I mean, did you restore it from scratch, or did you already buy it like this?
I bought it 90% like this.
Yep.
I chased it for a long time. My wife and I are lucky enough we've got a few show cars.
Yep.
So we'll take our cars typically to the East Coast for, say, the Falcon GT Nationals.
Yep.
And we'll containerise and send that car, and we will go across to Nullarbor in this panel van with 2 or 3 other couples and similar cars.
Awesome.
We like the trip over there over 4 or 5 days as much as the event itself.
Oh, perfect, perfect. So we're here at the WA State Van Titles, or WA Van State Titles.
Yes.
Sorry. So how are you finding the day so far?
Really good, nicely organised. We came in pretty early, got here just after 8 o'clock. Travelled from Perth.
Yep.
Organised quite well, nice parking, nice coffee machines and nice weather. So why wouldn't you come to an event like this?
Yeah, perfect, mate, perfect. So what's the plans for the ride now?
We want to keep using it, so
Yep.
that we've got the next Falcon GT Nationals in Bathurst in 2023.
Awesome.
So we'll send a good car over there, and Jim and I once again will drive across the Nullarbor
Yep.
in the mighty panel van. It'll take us 5 days to Bathurst, an event of about 4 days, and then we'll turn around and come back home again. And that's how we like the use of the panel van, as in, now we don't sleep in the back of it, we stop in motels.
Yeah, yeah.
But we just love the theme of driving across the Nullarbor, through that backwoods of New South Wales, the Hay Plain, very nice.
Yep.
And then 4 or 5 days later, do the same in return.
Yeah, absolutely. No, that's perfect, mate. Awesome. So what we'll do is, look, we'll put this up online.
Yep.
You can catch us there and like and subscribe, and we'll go from there, mate.
Thanks very much, Phil. I've enjoyed it.
Awesome. Thanks, Greg.
Okay, thanks.
No drama, mate.